We are futures gathered here, crafting stories with our hands, a vision bold and warm, seeking minds that understand. In our world you'll find your stride, employ your brand, a promise strong. Employ your brand, where you belong. Beyond the walls that cage us, we rise and break the mold. Every voice can shape us, together we grow bold. A beacon bright and glowing, a lighthouse in the storm. With every step we're showing our path to true reform. Come and be part of the story, where dreams are made and soar. In the land of endless glory, you'll find what you are for. Employ your brand, our promise strong. Employ your brand, where you belong. Beyond the walls that cage us, we rise and break the mold. Every voice can shape us, together we grow bold. A beacon bright and glowing, a lighthouse in the storm. With every step we're showing our path to true reform. Come and be part of the story, where dreams are made and soar. In the land of endless glory, you'll find